really weird bird is right there. I've never seen that bird before. Wait, and it's like, I'm gonna go loud for you guys. Like, wow, what is that bird? It looks like a honey eater maybe. I'll try to feed it some. Never seen any type of bird that looked like that before. I'm trying to throw this at him. He's competing with me. I don't like it. Oh, there it is. Oh, he just caught a worm. Oh, there he goes. Let me just cross the worm quick. There it goes. I have no idea what that bird was. I thought it was like a beater or just like a bird I've never seen before. No idea. I'm not sure. It could be a baby or like a full grown. At first I thought it was a baby curraong, but it was not. On the fat bed it was different and the cow was different. So I don't know. Oh, there's a curraong, and I think that was a baby. Pretty sure. Oh, that's a water bird. Oh, whoa! What happened to the brightness? Hold on. Yeah, that was good. These water birds are going crazy. Oh, there is the baby curraong sounds. Do you hear it? Oh, there it is! It's all the way up there. See? Feed this one an apple real quick. Oh, there it goes. Where's it going now? It's blocked. Oh. Beautiful pied curraong. Oh. Here. Feed it an apple. Or if it could just go on the ground. Hold on. I want to make it see me. That's all for you. Go down. Yeah, good job. So, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, shit. Sorry for the comments. Oh. You see. See how I can I throw this up to you? Hey, curraong. Where are you going? Mate. Hold on for a second. There's a piece that he did not eat. It's right here. This piece he did not eat. So let's see. His nest is right there. Right. Oh, I can't see because of the sun. Some guys in a car was just staring at me. I think they were trying to kick at me. Oh. It's water bird versus curraong right now. Why is everyone staring at me? I'm just filming birds. What's wrong? Cute. Some water birds there. I don't really know what's happening. I'm scared. Let's just try this up there and see what happens. This is for you. What? I'm just gonna throw it up. There it goes. It's going up there. Hopefully it finds that apple soon. And yeah, that was pretty fun, pretty cool. I don't know why everyone was staring at me, but I'm just filming birds. So we made 2 curraong finds in one day. Let's go. And yeah, it's really sunny out. And I don't really know what that first bird that we saw was. I don't think that was a baby curraong, honestly. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. And without further ado, please make sure to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff. I'll talk to you guys later. But until, wait, here's some more monkeys. And the guy who owns this house is a G. He feeds all of his the rainbow lowerkeys live in this tree, and he feeds them. So. Shout out to you if you're even watching this. Okay, well, that's pretty much it. Make sure to like, subscribe, do all of the good stuff. I'll talk to you guys later. But until then, goodbye.